A communication system in electronics is a setup that enables the transmission and reception of information between two or more points. It involves the use of electronic devices and techniques to encode, transmit, and decode signals, allowing the exchange of information over short or long distances. Here's a basic explanation of how a communication system works. Transmitter. The transmitter is the device that initiates the communication process. It takes the original information or message and converts it into a suitable form for transmission. The message can be in the form of voice, data, video, or any other type of information. The transmitter typically consists of a signal source, a modulation circuit, and a power amplifier. Signal source. The signal source generates the original information in a suitable electrical form. For example, a microphone converts sound waves into an electrical audio signal. Modulation circuit. The modulation circuit modulates the signal from the signal source onto a carrier signal. Modulation techniques like amplitude modulation, AM, frequency modulation, FM, or phase modulation, PM, are used to embed the information onto the carrier signal. This modulation process helps in efficient transmission and reception of the signal. Power amplifier. The power amplifier amplifies the modulated signal to a level suitable for transmission through the transmission medium, e.g., antenna, cable, or fiber optic. Transmission medium. The transmission medium carries the modulated signal from the transmitter to the receiver. It can be a physical medium like air, for wireless communication, or cables, such as coaxial cables or fiber optic cables, for wired communication. Receiver. The receiver is the device that receives the transmitted signal and extracts the original information from it. It typically consists of an antenna or a sensor, a demodulation circuit, and a signal processing circuit. Antenna, sensor. In wireless communication, an antenna is used to receive electromagnetic waves carrying the modulated signal. In other types of communication, specialized sensors or detectors are used to capture the signal. Demodulation circuit. The demodulation circuit extracts the original information from the received modulated signal. It reverses the modulation process performed by the transmitter and retrieves the encoded information. Signal processing circuit. The signal processing circuit further processes the demodulated signal to remove any noise or distortions and restore the original information to a usable form. It may involve filtering, amplification, and other signal conditioning techniques. Destination. The destination refers to the intended recipient or endpoint of the communication system. It could be a person, another electronic device, or a computer system that can interpret and utilize the received information. By following these steps, a communication system allows for the reliable transmission of information over short or long distances, enabling effective communication and data exchange in various fields such as telecommunication, broadcasting, internet communication, and more.